Make money online with ChatGPT today. Get tips and advice on how to maximize profits and start earning with ChatGPT and MidJourney. Discover the best ways to make money online with ChatGPT, ChatGPT to make money, and how to make money with ChatGPT. Start generating income now with ChatGPT. Earn money online and make money online. Today, I'll show you how to make money online for free by combining ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Redbubble. Part 1. Redbubble. Step 1. Visit the Redbubble website and click the Start Selling button to register as a seller, link provided in the video description. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. Step 3. Log into your dashboard, then confirm your email to activate your account. Step 4. Go to Account Settings, select Edit Profile, and enter your shop and profile information. Use ChatGPT to do this. If you don't have a ChatGPT account or don't know how to use it, watch my previous video on ChatGPT link provided in the description. Step 5. Go to the payment setting and connect your PayPal account to Redbubble. Part 2. Product Research. Step 1. Use the search bar on Redbubble to search for popular keywords. Select desired keywords from the suggestions and press the search button. Step 2. From the search results, choose the first products. Step 3. Copy the product title and tags and save them in a notepad. Part 3. Generate AI artwork. Step 1. Enhance the product title by adding popular keywords. Add MidJourney's parameters, you can copy them from this video description. Step 2. Run the script in MidJourney and wait for the process to complete. If you don't have a MidJourney account, watch my previous video on getting started with MidJourney, link in the video description. Step 3. Select the best image and save it to your computer. Part 4. Upscale image. Step 1. To increase the visibility of your image in all Redbubble products, upscale it to a minimum size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. Use an upscaler.com link in the video description. Step 2. Upload your image and select the 400% option. Click the Start button and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Download the upscaled image to your computer. Part 5. Upload artwork. Step 1. Return to the Redbubble dashboard and click Add Designs. Upload the upscaled image you just downloaded. Wait for the process to complete. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create an SEO-friendly product title, tags, and description. Copy and paste the results to the product description. Repeat the same process for the product title and tags. Step 3. Adjust the size and position of your design on each product to match the print area. Select the product color and orientation that match your design. Step 4. Save and publish the product. Remember, your product will not be publicly visible on Redbubble until you upload a minimum of 5 designs. Don't forget to stay current with trends and actively promote your work to increase success on Redbubble. Thank you for watching. See you in the next money-making tips. Thanks for watching.